Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Imagine crafting adorable animated short stories for kids without needing to write a single word, draw a single frame, or even record your own voice, all thanks to the power of AI. We're going to use some amazing free tools to bring a charming kid's story to life, and trust me, you'll be amazed at how simple it is. So, stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own animated masterpiece, and here's a little teaser of what we're building today. Check out these beautiful AI-generated short stories, The Adventure of Benny, the Brave Little Boat.
Benny, a tiny paper boat, was placed in the water by a little girl. "Go, Benny, have an adventure," she cheered. As Benny floated down the river, he saw a green leaf drifting beside him. Suddenly, a big rock blocked Benny's way. "Oh no, what do I do?" The river gave Benny a little push, and he safely sailed around the rock. Benny kept floating, happy and free. His adventure had just begun.
The Adventure of Lila, the Flying Balloon.
Toby, a small red balloon, was tied to a little boy's wrist. But one day, the wind blew too hard. And Toby flew away. Toby floated high and got stuck in a big tree. "Oh no, I'm trapped." A soft breeze pushed Toby out of the tree and back into the open sky. Toby saw a colorful kite flying nearby. "Where are you going?" Toby asked. Toby wasn't lost anymore. He was free and happy, dancing in the sky.
The Kind Little Rabbit, and this is the story we'll be making in this tutorial.
One bright morning, a little rabbit named Ruffy hopped happily through the forest, enjoying the sunshine and fresh air. As Ruffy hopped along, he spotted a tiny turtle, looking sad by the side of the path. Ruffy walked slowly beside the turtle, guiding him home step by step. Days later, Ruffy was playing near a river when he slipped and fell in. The water was strong, and Ruffy didn't know how to swim. Just then, the same little turtle appeared. He quickly swam to Ruffy and helped him safely to the shore. Ruffy and the turtle smiled at each other. They became best friends.
Now, let's dive into the process step by step. To start, we need a good story. Instead of thinking of one ourselves, let's ask ChatGPT for help. Now ask me to give any theme and genre. I will say something like, moral kid story. You choose a topic for me, but keep it simple since Meta AI isn't too advanced. Once ChatGPT gives us the script, it will also provide prompts for generating animation images. Now, let's turn that script into visuals using Meta AI. Take the first animation prompt from ChatGPT, copy it, head over to Meta AI, paste it into the text box, and hit the arrow button. Meta AI will generate 4 image options for you. Once you're happy with the first scene, go back to ChatGPT, grab the next prompt, and repeat the process. Keep doing this for every scene in your script. I'll fast forward through the repeats here, but you get the idea: generate, check, regenerate if needed. Pick the one you like best, or if none of them match the vibe, hit regenerate for new ones. When all your images look good, click Animate on each one. Review the animations, regenerate if they're off. And when you're satisfied, download each animated clip by opening the output and hitting Download. Simple, right? We'll skip the repetitive bits in this tutorial to keep it snappy. Next, let's add some voice to our story with TTSMaker.com, a free text-to-speech tool that doesn't even require a sign-up. Open a new tab and go to TTSMaker.com, a free text-to-speech generator with no sign-up required and support for multiple languages. Select English as the language and choose a speaker that fits the story's tone. Copy all the narration text from ChatGPT and paste it into TTSMaker. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and click Convert to Speech. The first time, it will verify that you're human. Once the verification is done, download the speech file. Repeat this process for each part, including the moral, turtle, and Ruffy voice scripts. This process is also fast-forwarded to keep the tutorial concise. Alright, we've got our animations and voices, now it's time to put it all together. Open your favorite video editor, I'm using Filmora, but you can use whatever you like, even free options like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Import all your downloaded animation clips and audio files. Drag the first animation to the timeline, then layer the matching narration audio over it. Repeat this for every scene, lining up each clip with its narration or character dialogue. To make it look polished, add fade transitions between scenes, just a quick fade in and fade out for smoothness. Then, drop in some soft background music, something light and cheerful works great for kids' stories. Play it back to check the flow.
One bright morning, a little rabbit named Ruffy hopped happily through the forest, enjoying the sunshine and fresh air. As Ruffy hopped along, he spotted a tiny turtle. Ruffy walked slowly beside the turtle, guiding him home step by step. Days later, Ruffy was playing near a river when he slipped and fell in. The water was strong, and Ruffy didn't know how to swim. Just then, the same little turtle appeared. He quickly swam to Ruffy and helped him safely to the shore. Ruffy and the turtle smiled at each other. They became best friends.
If it feels right, hit export and save your video. That's it, your animated short story is done. And there you have it, folks. You've just created the kind little rabbit story, a cute, moral-filled tale for kids, all powered by AI. From ChatGPT's script to Meta AI's animations, TTSmaker's voices, and a little editing magic, you've got a finished product in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what story you'd make next. I'd love to hear your ideas.